Alright. So, first 5K done. Sub 1 hour yung 5K namin. We finished it in 50 minutes and 40 plus seconds. So that's about 10 minute per kilometer pace. So I'm so proud. Medyo lumalakas na si Carissa.
Partido maambon.
Partida umaambon pa. Which is why, siguro, 5 kilometers lang kami today. Walang sana namin mag 10. Pero dahil umaambon na, medyo malakas na yung ambon. Siguro we'll walk hanggang kotse. And then let's see, pag tumila siguro we walk another kilometer, cool down. Pero pag hindi na, we leave it at 5. Alright? Thank you guys.